And now to our next idiom in our series, How to Use English Idioms. Today's idiom is, it's all in your head. When somebody is told that something is all in their head, it means that what they've been feeling or believing about that situation is not real and they've been imagining it. As usual, watch the following clip from the film Madagascar to see it being used.
Melman, wake up, rise and shine. It's another fabulous morning in the Big Apple. Let's go.
Not for me. I'm calling in sick.
What?
I found another brown spot on my shoulder, right here. See? Right there. You see?
Melman, you know it's all in your head.
And here are a few sentences for you to see it being used more. Number 1. Darling, listen to me. There's nobody else in my life. I assure you, it's all in your head. 2. I'm always afraid of speaking in public. I feel like people would make fun of me. I don't know. Maybe it's all in my head. 3. Sarah thought her colleagues were gossiping about her. I told her it was all in her head. And that's it. Short and sweet. So thank you again for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notifications button, and wait for the next video to come. Thank you very much. Bye.